Hi, good day. I'm Benedicto Infante Jr., butcher here in Davao City, Philippines. Today I show you to 5 standard cuts, all this chicken. But before proceed to cutting, let me show you to sharpening my knife, holding steel, 45-degree angle. Now let's proceed to cutting. These are the 5 standard cuts of all this chicken. Backbone, drumstick, thigh part, wings, and this part. That's all. Thank you.